Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and we are just completing the chapter 3, designing and planning transportation network. Okay, so in this chapter we are completing the shipment via central distribution network. Okay, and in earlier session we have understand direct shipping network. So in direct shipping network we directly move good from supplier to the retailer. But in this shipment via through distribution center, we will use the a particular center of distribution, we can say warehouses. Then from that warehouse, the shipment will deliver to the final destination. Okay, so for your information, we are just completing the full supply chain management course in which we are understanding chapter 3. The topic name is shipment via central distribution network. Okay, so supplier does not send shipment to buyer location. Okay, in central distribution network, shipment directly not move from buyer location. Okay, the buyer divided location by geographic origin or a distribution center is built to each regions. Okay, for example, the Amul factory of milk production in the Ahmedabad. Okay, for example. Okay, so in this case, the supplier directly cannot deliver to the buyer. Okay, so what will happen in this case? The buyer first uh, arrange it the particular locations, centralized locations. Okay, and then particular centralized location to the other distributor or retailers. Okay, so this is the different method in which the milk is delivering through distribution center, because the supplier directly cannot do this activity. Okay, here the distributor, or we can say the buyer, he knows the actual customer locations on geographic origin. Okay, supplier send their shipment directly to the buyer location. Okay, the distribution center is a layer between supplier and buyer locations and can play two different roles. One is to store inventory and other serve as a transport locations. Okay, so in this process of central distribution network, there are two reasons, different reasons. First, you can manage the story at the distribution center. Okay, and another is serve the as a transport option. Okay, means that first you locate the centralized location, and from that centralized location, the location will decide as per order where to deliver the shipment. Okay, so this is the central distribution network system. Okay, truck carry goods to the distribution center, which is sorted and consolidated with their product, transfer to the loading dock and dock to dock and truck. Okay, so in this process, truck will distribute first. This distribution come from supplier to the distribution center, then distribution center to the location of the consumer, we can say retailer also. So it's depend on the number of distribution center can be centralized, then proceed. Okay, so distribution center using milk run can be used from distribution center if there is a small lot delivered to the each buyer. Okay, so this also need to understand. So in this session, we have tried to understand distribution through the distribution network, central distribution network. Central means the location of the center, then distribution. For example, Amul milk is coming from the Ahmedabad. Okay, for example, then first it will be divided in the state. Okay, then state, after that state will divide the big cities. In big cities, one wholesaler, then number of distributor. Okay, so in such way, this will decided the distribution network. So guys, we have completed this direct shipping and shipping through center location. Okay, so guys, we are going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.